Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, we will get to know today that is it possible to order from Temu in Pakistan? It was not available before, but now, yes, it's available. Temu does ship to Pakistan. So just visit temu.com or download the Temu app from Google Play or Play Store or App Store. Here it is like temu.com, Pakistan, this one. Then once on Temu, create an account by signing up with your email or simply log in if you have already one. Browse through categories or use the search bar to find products you want to buy. You can find anything from electronics to clothing. Once you have the product you want, click on it and review the details. After reviewing, add to cart button, and here's the cart option. Here's it is empty because I haven't add any. At checkout, enter your shipping addresses in Pakistan. Make sure to double check everything before proceeding. Next, select a payment method. Temu usually accepts international payment options like credit card or debit cards and PayPal as well. Once your payment is confirmed, Temu will process your order. You will receive an order confirmation and a tracking number. And with that tracking number, you can track the product. After your orders ship, you can track it on Temu's website or app. Enjoy shopping and stay tuned for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. See you in the next one.